Like 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. That's really cool. Yeah. They probably won't start the event until like really late.
Probably.
I'm so confused right now. Like,
look at Harris looking around like he's on an island all by himself. Calmly pulls up and knocks down the three. First half stats say Harris and shooting really picked up. The free throws were a big difference in Gonzaga's favor. That's where points in the paint. Gonzaga was tough inside. I think it's still a winning's favor, but boy, if you want to, you've got to keep pounding it inside. St. Mary's, you've got to think they've got to find another score besides an opposite of balanced scoring in the first half. Really, I think you could say the same on both sides. Pango's chipped in to help when it was set. Hales up by 1 playing here at home at historic McEwen Pavilion at the first possession of the second half. Nova came up short, but Mitchell Young right there missed the ball. Young committed a silly foul at the end of the first half.
It's not fixed. I know you got a magic drink.
It's like higher numbers.
That's that hot tech of the week.
No, I just saw him when he picked it up.
Yeah.
Activate. I probably would imagine drink that. Huh? I probably would imagine drink that. Space is too crucial.
Why though? Because if you magic drink it, you still activate it.
Nah,
I'm just wondering. No, I mean.
I don't. There's not enough. I don't think the deck. I don't think most people caught on to magic drain sooner than they needed to. So they're not gonna have enough magic.
I get what you're saying.
So I would have probably did
because you still had a whole hand. That's why I'm thinking.
Yeah, no. It makes sense. But every magic card in the deck is a clutch card.
Yeah. That's why I'm making that. Though.
Magic drain is not that bad.
Yeah.
I swung him upstairs. He was going upstairs.
Yeah, after doing something or not there.
It's only when it destroys it by battle.
Yes. Jay Gilly in the building. Oh shit.
You want a drink?
Not yet, nigga. Y'all fucked me up last night. I woke up drunk. Hold on.
They even warn us, but we do it anyway. Stop. There's a
Why would you do that? Why would you let me do that?
safe and effective.
Okay.
That's a good expect. We just spoke about battle. Oh, and does that have to send it to the river?
It's always these complicated games. They both come like
Let's send it to the river.
Puncture your eardrum. Ow! Waxback gently draws dirt particles and moisture out of your ear.
Okay.
That was tech.
Safe. Its unique safety guard prevents it from going too deep like an ear thermometer. And effective. See how gently it backs water and dirt, leaving your ears clean and dry.
3 to 4?
Empty it out when you're done. Doctors everywhere warn against using cotton swabs in your ears.
Yeah, go.
No one likes water in your ears. Don't contact. Use Waxback instead.
I know I shouldn't use cotton swabs in my ears. Waxback seems like the perfect solution. Sometimes cotton swabs hurt.
It's all 5% water.
Great idea.
Waxback just stop
I actually wind up firing the water.
and stop using cotton swabs that can damage your ears.
Those two are really my son. And I have one that's from. You got to get very simple, but you have a lot of
Two cleaning brushes.
This one. Caesar, you don't talk to me.
How are you doing?
Y'all didn't come out last night. Y'all just stayed in the hotel chilling.
I need to get some.
I called you. We can chill. Game 3. Fuck it.